teach CBSE 10th Maths. Hey guys, this is Tina. I teach CBSE 8th Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 5 Arithmetic Progressions, Exercise 5.2, 12th question. Alright, now let's read the question. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 100th terms? So this one, no, it is an important question as well as different question. Okay, so if it is a different question, you are supposed to focus it. Okay, why? Because we haven't solved like this yet. Okay, so now we are going to be solving it, but it is really easy. Okay, so there are two APs which have the same common difference. So they didn't mention the AP, isn't it? So we shall write two APs. So AP number 1, so I am going to take it as A1, comma A2, comma A3 and so on. Okay, and then I am going to take AP number 2. Why? Because they mentioned two APs, isn't it? So I am going to take it as B1. I am not going to take it as A. Why? Because already we took A, right? That's why. Okay, so B1, B2, comma B3 and so on. Okay, so the difference means minus. Of course, you guys know difference means minus. So the difference between there. So what is the meaning of there in this question? So there means both the APs. Okay, so in both the APs, no, the difference is 100th term is 100. Okay, so in both the APs we have 100th term. Okay, how can we write 100th term? So here I can write A 100 and B 100. Okay, so of course that is why they mentioned there. Okay, so between these both APs, no, the difference of that 100th term is 100. Okay, that means they mentioned the 100th term, right? Then we are supposed to write 100 for both the AP. Okay, so that is A 100, B 100. Okay, but here they mentioned the difference. So difference means A 100 minus B 100, isn't it? So A 100 minus B 100 is 100. Okay, how means here they mention. So the difference between there means these both. Okay, A 100 and B 100 of that 100th term is 100. Okay, so these both are the 100th term, isn't it? So that is 100. Okay, is whenever you get this, no, it means is equal to. Okay, so I hope you guys understood this. So remember the difference between there. So in these both APs, no, there is a 100th term. They are trying to say that. Okay, now we wrote the 100th term. Okay, when we just difference, I mean when we just subtract them, no, it is 100. Okay, so A 100 minus B 100 is 100. Okay, so what is the difference between their 1000th term? Okay, okay guys, so I just wrote, one second, I just wrote this one as it is. Okay, okay, so there is A 100 minus B 100 is equal to 100. So A 100, how can I write? Means A plus 99 D, isn't it? I can actually write it like this, and then minus as it is and bracket. So here we have B 100. B 100 means B plus, what is the previous number of 100? It is 99D. So 99D, close the bracket, is equal to 100. Okay guys, so now let us write A as it is plus 99D minus into plus is minus, so minus B, minus into plus is minus 99D is equal to 100. Okay, so now what we can do now here we have plus 99 and here we have minus 99D. So we can actually cancel them. Okay, so let us write rest of the values, that is A minus B is equal to 100. Okay, so we got this value when we just applied this and all. Okay, okay, so now what we can do now, so now we can write this one as it is. Okay, once again, so now we can write this one as it is. This one we are supposed to find, right? So I am gonna write that as it is. Okay, okay guys, so let me just write it. Okay guys, so I just wrote it as it is. So this also we can just expand it like that. So a plus, so the previous number of 1000 is 999d and minus as it is bracket. Here also we can do like that. So b plus previous number of 1000 is 999d, close the bracket, is equal to, so it is in question mark. Okay, all right. So now what we can do, we can write a plus 999d as it is. So minus into plus is minus, b minus into plus is minus 999d and so is equal to, if you want you can just write it, and everything is in question mark, so no need to mention the is equal to now. Okay, all right. So here we have plus under 999 and here we have minus 999d. So we can actually cancel them. Now we have a minus b. Okay, so since we have a minus b now, so you can put the is equal to here. Okay, all right. So since you have a minus b, so here actually we found the a minus b value, right? So now only we found it, that is a minus b is equal to 100. So so a minus b, since you guys know it is 100, how we can write now? A 1000 minus b 1000 is equal to 100. Why? Why? Because we proved it. How we proved it? So now only we proved it. Here you can see we just proved this one. Am I right? So after finding expanding those stuffs and all, now we got a minus b is equal to 100. What does it mean? So a minus b value is 100. So here after doing those stuffs and all, now we got a minus b we got. Okay, so here a minus b, of course you guys know it is 100, isn't it? So that is what we got. So after that, when I just found that a minus b is 100, I just wrote it like this. So because we were finding a 1000 minus b 1000, we were finding the difference between both the numbers, right? So when we just expanded it, we got a minus b. So what is the value for it? So the value is 100, isn't it? So I just wrote a 1000 minus b 1000 is equal to 100. Okay, all right. So you can no need to mention the is equal to here, you can actually mention it here. Okay, all right. So finally we solved it. Finally we got 8000 minus b 1000, the difference between them is 100. I know that when you just at the starting of the question, no, one second, yeah, in the starting of the question, no, when you just found out that a 100 minus b 100, the difference is 100, you guys might have thought that the difference between 8000 minus b 1000, it might be 1000, isn't it? Even I thought the same thing, but no, you can't just say something like that. Why? Because in maths, if you just solve it only, we'll get to know whether it is correct or not. Okay, so whenever you think that this will be the, whenever you predict that this will be the correct answer for it, first try to solve it. Okay, after solving it, then you can then you will get an answer, then you can compare that answer with what you thought. Okay, so please never judge like that. Okay, all right. So now of course you guys know how to solve like this type of questions, isn't it? So the only thing is you should understand the statement. So here the difference between their 100th term is 100. So here there, no, they mentioned the both the AP now, that is AP number 1 and AP number 2, no, they mentioned that in both the APs the 100th term is 100. Okay, so they mentioned the difference. So difference means in both the APs A and B 100 it's there, no, that one we are supposed to subtract it, that is the meaning of difference. Okay, so the difference is 100. So we are supposed to find the difference between 1000th term. Okay, so likewise we found the 1000th term, isn't it? So what is the 1000th term? That is 100. Okay.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.